Well, good morning, everybody. Lily of the Valley Community Garden family. Uh, right behind me, you'll see a mustard green plant. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can get a good shot, so we can get a good shot at it. Okay, this is the mustard green plant, and about 2 weeks ago, it bolted, and you can see the flowers. See the little flowers there? Okay, and if you look right below where the flowers are fading, you can see the small seed pods coming up. See those seed pods? The leaves are withering away, and these are the seed pods here. So look at all those little seeds. So we're gonna harvest these seeds. This is off just one plant here. So look at all of those seeds there. So if you wait patiently, you can harvest the seeds. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait to harvest these seeds on the mustard greens. Okay, and look like you have like each pod has hmm, about 10 seeds. So you got hundreds of seeds here. And here's another plant right down here below. You got seeds to harvest up this plant here. Up some over there. So that's the mustard green plant. Let's see, do we have any more? Yeah, we have some more here. And this is a mustard green. If you look closely, when the flower fades away, you can see the seed pod develop. Just like you saw on the other plant over there. So when you get the flowers up, you know the seeds will be coming up shortly. So I just want to give you an update. I'm going to give you another update in about a week or so when we begin to harvest the seeds. An update on mustard green seed pods. Mustard green seed pods. We got hundreds of seeds here, and when I harvest these, I do another short video. Well, anyway, have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Goodbye.